If you need to get a 6-digit authentication code for Discord, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and easy way. Whether you're trying to verify your account, secure your login, or complete a phone number check, this method will help you get it done quickly. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Discord and go to your user settings. You can usually find this by clicking the gear icon near your profile in the bottom left corner. Once you're in Settings, look for the Phone Number section. Next to Phone Number, click Add. This is where you'll start the verification process for your account. Now enter your phone number carefully. Make sure the country code is correct and that the number is typed in properly, because if there's a mistake here, you won't receive the code. After entering your number, click Send. Discord will then send a 6-digit authentication code to the phone number you provided. At this point, switch over to your SMS inbox on your phone and look for the message from Discord. It should arrive within a few moments, although in some cases it can take a little longer depending on your carrier or connection. Once you find the text message, copy or note down the 6-digit code exactly as shown. Go back to Discord and type the code into the verification box. Make sure each digit is entered correctly, because the code has to match exactly. After that, click Verify. In some cases, Discord may also ask you to enter your password as an extra security step, so if prompted, simply type in your Discord password and confirm again. Once that's done, your phone number should be verified and the authentication process will be complete. If the code doesn't work the first time, double-check the number you entered, make sure the SMS message was received on the correct phone, and try again if needed. This is usually the fastest way to complete Discord phone verification and get your 6-digit code successfully. If this guide helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.